Hello and welcome to my tutorial on how to create a virtual classroom Giphy that could be used on various websites. I have created one and placed it on my Canvas pages as well as my school district teacher website. The first thing you're going to want to do is create one slide that has the background where you choose different images and things about yourself and things about what you teach, really whatever you would like to be seen here. Real quick, I can show you some of the things that I put in here. Basically, I went to insert pictures and I went to this device and I inserted some personal pictures that I had already saved on my computer. This picture right here is actually a student-made project from this past school year. It's a little frog coin bank. So I also had that saved on my computer. And then I also used stock images. These are pretty cool. So you can click in and type different things that you might want to search up. There's icons and stickers. I actually used icons to show some of the hobbies that I have. If I wanted to, I could even add some hobbies. So maybe I can look up a bike. And I like to ride mountain bikes, so I could insert this picture and add that to my wall if I would like to do that. So a lot of these images right here were those stock images. I also did insert online pictures and found my college banner. I found my 3D printer, the little Lego head, the teacher's desk. These are similar projects that I do in my classroom. I got those off the internet, and then I found this picture on the internet as well. I found this chalkboard image on the stock images, and then I created the Think Outside the Box icon as well. From here, you are going to want to use your cell phone and get the Bitmoji app and create your Bitmoji. I actually then sent my Bitmoji to myself through email, and then I uploaded the Bitmoji to my computer. So I have now inserted the Bitmoji. It's right here. And what we are going to want to do at this point is, if you want to create a Giffy where your Bitmoji is moving, we can do that using PowerPoint. So I'm going to put my Bitmoji of me in an airplane off the screen a little bit. And what you're going to do at this point is click on the slide over here and hit Control D, which is duplicate on your keyboard. We can then drag very slightly or even use the arrow keys to move your Bitmoji. So basically we are making a stop animation of your Bitmoji moving across the screen. So again, I'm moving ever so slightly, the Bitmoji coming back over, selecting the next slide, hitting Control D, and then going back through and continuing to do that until the Bitmoji is where you want it to stop. Sometimes you accidentally hit Control D and you'll have to delete your Bitmoji, and then we just have to remember to click on the slide and then move the person. If you are planning to have your Bitmoji go across the entire screen, I would recommend creating 15 to 20 slides to make your Giphy. Once you have finished moving your Bitmoji, you can bring your PowerPoint into slideshow mode, and you can test out by clicking your spacebar or your arrow key to see how smooth your person goes across the screen. And if you like it, I can now go and show you how to save this as a Giphy. So from here, we are going to go to File, Export, and we can click on Create an Animated GIF. You might want to try to do a large file, so it'll be a higher quality. And now you're going to have to choose how many seconds you want each slide to be up on the screen. So I would recommend anywhere between 0.5 to 0.25. We can always create the GIF and then go back to this as needed and change the setting on the slide time. So now I'm going to hit create GIF. You can save it into a folder on your computer, and then we can open that up and play it to see if it turned out okay. So I'm going to open up my folder. I saved it into my pictures folder. I can also check it out by the quick access tab. And we can get a quick preview of what it looks like. So 0.5 is a little bit on the slow side, so you might want to change that to 0.25 and check that out. And again, you just go to File, Export, and then save it as an animated GIF. If you're happy with everything, you can go to your school district websites, you can go to your Canvas pages, whatever distance learning program that you use, and you can upload this as basically a header. A lot of teachers have now created things like this where it might not necessarily be a Giffy, but it is an integrated kind of classroom where you click on these different icons and it might bring you to other web pages for students to learn about different things. So the opportunities are endless with creating these kind of virtual classrooms, and utilizing Giphies is becoming very popular because the kids also enjoy them. So thanks for watching.